Hello, this is Brian from GeoPath, and in this video we'll talk about how to edit an inventory plan in the Workspace module. Here I have an inventory plan I ran in a previous video. There are a few different ways that you can make edits to your plan. One major way you can make edits is by removing specific spots from your plan. Say for example, I didn't want to include these top two spots in my plan. I can select them using the checkboxes here, and then hit Delete Selected Inventory from here. You can also use these checkboxes to make subsets of your inventory. So say I wanted to take these top 5 spots and make them their own inventory set. With those selected, I can hit the Save as Inventory Set option here, which will then take these 5 and create an inventory set of them in my account. Just as with market plans, one major way that you can make edits is using the parameters option here. This will give you a summary of everything that's included in your plan currently, and give you the option to completely change your audience, the market selection, the time period, and also the specific inventory that's added. You can use this inventory menu to add additional spots to your plan, or you can completely swap out the inventory altogether. You'll see the same options here for adding inventory as you did in the initial plan setup. Once you've made your edits, you can hit Regenerate Plan.